Today, we're talking with spa director Kira Fernandez of Loft, and she has a treatment that might be able to help with your snoring. First of all, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
And I'm excited to learn about what we can do to combat snoring, because my husband, all I have to do is kind of push him out of bed a little bit. That helps, but that doesn't last very long, right? So first, before we get into what Loft has, how common is snoring and what causes it?
So it's very, very common. It's actually a huge deal. A lot of people don't realize, but almost 50% of Americans snore. And so it's a really, really big, almost an epidemic, because it causes a lot of different health problems.
So then what causes the snoring exactly, or sleep apnea? I know that's connected.
Yes, it really is. So with snoring, there's a lot of different things, but what we treat is the same way that you lose collagen in the body, the face, different areas. You can lose collagen in the back of the throat, the soft palate. And so you lose that collagen, yes. You lose that collagen and it starts to kind of hang down. That is going to obstruct your airway. So when you lay back into the sleeping position, it actually obstructs your airway completely, and then the vibrations actually cause the snoring. So it's actually really, really bad for you.
So what are some health problems that one would see, if they didn't get help for their snoring or sleep apnea?
So it actually contributes to stroke, heart attack, high blood pressure, and then one of the major problems is fatigue. People are so tired all the time and don't realize that it comes from sleep apnea and snoring. And then another thing too is our bodies heal itself while we're asleep. So it definitely causes issues when you're trying to lose weight and you can't lose weight. You wonder why you're stagnant. Not getting enough sleep and also snoring is definitely one of the causes.
So then what does Loft have that's helping combat snoring?
So we have an absolutely amazing laser treatment, and this is exclusive to Loft. There's no pain, there's no downtime. You have about maybe 15-20 minute treatment. And what that does is it stimulates the collagen in the back of the throat, and as well as the uvula and the soft palate. It raises up that tissue, which is obstructing the airway. And once that's opened over a matter of 3 to 4 treatments, it's completely open and you can breathe. It helps with getting you off of some of those machines and devices. Of course, you want to consult your doctor, but we've had many patients so far that have been completely off of their CPAPs, as well as other devices that they use, and it completely changes their complete state of health and also their lifestyles.
Yeah, like we were saying, sleeping is everything. You regenerate your cells when you're sleeping, and if you don't get good sleep, then you're not productive the next day. So it seems like you have a special for our viewers, right?
Yes, we always do.
Can you talk about that?
Absolutely. So the first 20 callers, we're so excited to offer the first treatment for only $99. This is a $500 value. So please pick up the phone and call. We are one of the only ones in North Florida to offer something like this. You can reach us at 904-686-2505 and be one of the first 20 callers to get, again, this treatment for only $99. Such an amazing value.
Awesome. Well, once again, learned so much. Kira, thank you for your time today.
Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.
Of course, if you'd like to see this segment again or get more information, go to firstcoastliving.net.